In this video, we're diving into how to track client selections and preferences using CoConstruct, and trust me, you'll want to stick around to the end because we'll show you tips that can make client management smoother than ever. First off, CoConstruct is an all-in-one construction management software that helps builders and remodelers manage projects from start to finish, and one of its standout features is the ability to track client selections and preferences in real time. Whether you're dealing with a single client or multiple, you can easily keep everything organized, which not only saves time, but also improves your client relationships. The first thing you'll notice when you start using CoConstruct is the client selection interface. This feature lets you create a custom list of products or finishes for your clients to choose from, whether it's flooring, countertops, or paint colors. You can add photos, descriptions, and even prices to help your clients make decisions faster. This helps you avoid confusion and ensure that the choices are clear, which is a huge time saver. Next, you can sync selections across your team. When your clients make a selection, it's instantly updated in the system, and everyone on your team gets the same information in real time. This eliminates the risk of miscommunication, which can be a nightmare on the job site. Whether it's a design change or a product substitution, everyone stays in the loop. The third thing you'll want to know is how CoConstruct manages change orders. Sometimes clients change their minds or discover new preferences after the project has started. With CoConstruct, you can easily create change orders and track them as they happen. It's simple to send updated pricing or timelines to clients and keep everything documented in one place. This feature can save you a lot of back and forth and avoid those awkward surprise billing moments. Now, let's talk about visual project tracking. CoConstruct has a fantastic feature that allows you to upload photos and even video updates of the selections as they're being installed. You can send these updates to your clients, giving them a real-time visual reference of their choices being implemented in the project. It adds a personal touch and builds confidence, as your clients can feel involved in every step of the process. The fifth thing to keep in mind is customizable reporting. With CoConstruct, you have the ability to generate detailed reports that outline client selections, including pricing, materials, and any changes along the way. These reports are incredibly helpful for keeping clients informed and managing expectations. You can also use them as a reference for future projects or to ensure all selections are on track. Lastly, CoConstruct's integration with other tools is a game changer. Whether you're using QuickBooks for accounting or scheduling software to plan your workflow, CoConstruct integrates seamlessly with your existing tools, ensuring everything flows smoothly without the need for manual input. Now, here's the best part. You can try CoConstruct for free. Just click the link in the description below to grab an exclusive extended trial. You'll get to explore all these powerful features without any commitment, and it's the best way to see if this software is right for you. Don't miss out on this opportunity. By the way, when you start using CoConstruct, you're also unlocking all the bonuses that come with the extended free trial. These bonuses will help you take full advantage of the software's capabilities and make your projects even more efficient. That's all for today. If you're looking for a comprehensive way to track client selections and preferences, CoConstruct has you covered. Try it today through the link below and watch your project management transform.